Next up, deepest, darkest fantasies for Handshake. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now Control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we need to retrieve a flash drive from the Midnight Sapphire Hotel. So start by heading all the way up to Midnight Sapphire. Right over here, Hotel 1 is where you should be heading. If you followed my quest guides up until now, you've probably already got this unlocked. Looking over to the west, there's these three buildings over here. This one is the one that we need to go to. It's a short jog away, but of course there are going to be quite a few very angry guards in the area. And of course, maybe not somewhere too close that we can enter. Seems like we can only come in at the bottom here, at the bottom house here. I'll head up around the back of these until we eventually reach this third house here. Now, when you eventually reach this house, head around to the entrance, and just inside of here, opening the door, we should find a laptop on the table to our right. All we need to do is grab the USB from the side here. Once we grab that, we can put it in our back pocket for safe storage, and then just head back. That's it. It's a super simple fetch quest, and we didn't even see anyone. And there we go, we can hand over the USB, and just like that, we finished the task. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.